In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve Elementor loading problems. For instance, if your Elementor editor is not loading, and it stays stuck on the loading screen for a long time, there are several solutions you can try to fix it. The issue could arise due to different reasons, but I will walk you through some of the most common fixes. In most cases, following these steps will allow your Elementor to load properly again. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. The most common reason for Elementor not loading is an internet connection issue. Even if your internet appears to work fine on other platforms, it may sometimes cause trouble with Elementor. Try switching your connection. For example, if you are using home Wi-Fi, switch to your mobile data or another connection. After doing this, attempt to open Elementor again. Always remember to reload the Elementor editor after applying each fix to test if it worked. If switching the internet connection does not solve the problem, the next step is to update your Elementor plugin. From the left-hand side menu, click on Plugins, and if you see an update available for Elementor, click on Update. Wait for the update to complete, then try loading Elementor again. If it still doesn't load, select all of your plugins except Elementor and deactivate them in bulk. To do this, go to Plugins, select all plugins, then deselect Elementor, choose Deactivate from the Bulk Actions menu, and click Apply. This will deactivate all other plugins to reduce any conflicts or overload. If Elementor works after this, start reactivating the plugins one by one to identify which one was causing the issue. If none of these fixes work, go back to the Elementor menu on the left-hand side, click on Settings, and then switch to the Advanced tab. Here you'll find the option for Switch Editor Loader Method. From the drop-down menu, click Enable, then scroll down and click Save Changes. Try loading Elementor again. If the problem persists, click on Tools under the Elementor menu. Inside the Tools section, look for Safe Mode and enable it from the drop-down menu. Also, enable the Debug Bar option and then click Save Changes. These tools help isolate issues by reducing conflicts and displaying debugging information. By trying these solutions one by one, in most cases your Elementor should load successfully. Always make sure to reopen Elementor after every change to test the fix. Like if I open my Elementor editor again, as you can see here that now it's loading correctly again. And this is how you can solve Elementor loading problems effectively.